Did you know a platypus is the only mammal who lays eggs?
Keep on going.
I thought mammal meant that they don't lay eggs. And why doesn't Mom lay an egg to have us?
In the city, it feels like we're not really connected.
I always felt like there wasn't enough time for the things that really counted. We packed up and headed 150 kilometers into the Yukon wilderness.
No running water, no electricity.
We had a lot of beans. Inside is our storage place, but outside is actually our home.
To get the freedom of time again, we had to free ourselves from the structure of time and see what would happen.
You know, we really didn't go in there with the intent that this will be our utopia forever. It was more of an opportunity for a reprieve. But there was also this bigger issue, which was the test of loneliness and the test of purpose and the test of cooperation.
Down the street, secret place.
You know, we thought, okay, 3 kids, small cabin, 9 months, no other kids. They're gonna drive each other crazy.
I want to walk to Marshmallow.
All the time,
And what we found was exactly the opposite.
all the time in the world, all the time in the world.
Yes, but a platypus is an exception. Just like there's a lot of exceptions in English. Think English is hard? Look at real life.
Cut it out, Sam.